2 videos, 2 shirts. So new video, new shirt. Hey, hi, hello, it's Alyssa, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of my room. Now, my room's not that big, okay? I can literally stand in one place and show you the whole room just by rotating, but that's what we're gonna do today because you guys wanted to see it. Also, new shirt. I filmed the Q&A video and this video on the same day, but 2 videos, 2 shirts. So new video, new shirt. Just so you know, to change it up, add some variety. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into detail and let you guys know where I get everything, where I shop for. It's nothing real exclusive or extravagant, but hopefully you guys enjoy anyway. So let's get started. The first place in my room I'm going to show you is my bed area. It's where I keep my BT21 pillows and my adorable little puppy. All of the accents that you see in my room I mainly get from Target because I just like to impulse shop there. The posters at the top of my bed are Hobie Speak Yourself Final poster and Jimin's exhibition poster, and both the frames I got from Hobby Lobby. Directly next to the foot of my bed, I have Jimin's Love Yourself tour poster, also in a frame that I got from Hobby Lobby. And directly next to that, I have my BTS bookshelf. My BTS bookshelf contains a lot of other knickknacks besides BTS albums, things that relate to BTS, pictures from my concerts, Polaroids I've printed, and even Todoroki figures that match the cover of Map of the Soul 7. Next to my bookshelf, I have my TV, and directly underneath my TV, I have a little storage unit that is decorated with a ton of my favorite things, including me continuing to push the Jimin as Prince Eric agenda. I also have these cute frozen Funko Pops that I got from Box Lunch, and this cherry blossom tree that I got from Target. Next is my desk area, which is more like my vanity than anything else. I have these cute shelves above it that I filled with some of my favorite things to look at, including my Johnny Regulate album. I also have my favorite picket in the whole world, the BTS group Speak Yourself picket, displayed above my Koya baby cushion and my Polaroid camera. And let's not forget the adorable baby Chimmy in my little mini beret. On my actual desk, I have a Jimin fan to keep me company and my makeup that I use on a consistent basis. On the other side of my desk, I have this cute little wooden organizer to keep all of my hair stuff, and I decorated it with some stickers that I got at a craft store. Next to my desk, I have another K-pop bookshelf, but this one has the 2 other alt groups I have, which are NCT and Twice, and I try to decorate them to the best of my ability, but it's a little small. I know it's really hard to tell, but Mark and Johnny are my NCT biases. I decorated my Twice shelf with little Disney princess figurines because Twice are truly Disney princesses. Next to my bookshelf, I have my Minnie Mouse ear collection. I like to collect them from the parks, especially really cute ones. And these ones here at the bottom, I actually made myself for my recent Disney trip. for the final corner of my room, I just have these cute little collages hanging on the wall. One of them is from my BTS concert experiences, Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, and Wings tour. Directly underneath that, I have a collage of my 2 recent trips to Disneyland. So I have Polaroids and pictures of me and my family around the parks. And before you ask, yes, Jimin went with us. Hope you guys enjoyed a glance into my room. Like I said, it was not that big, but hopefully maybe you got some decorating inspo. And if not, maybe you just enjoyed seeing where I spend most of my time. That's a little weird. Anyway, I hope you guys have a very good day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you guys want to check out my Instagram and Twitter, I'm gonna link them below. But until then, see you next time. Turn into love song.